What if Claude spent Sunday night researching your prospects, feeding the findings into Google's NotebookLM, and generating a complete sourced briefing before you sat down Monday morning? Not with a subscription, not with code, 2 free tools chained together into an engine most people have never seen running. I'm walking you through the full system today, and at the end of this video, I'm giving you one output prompt. It turns a NotebookLM briefing into something a client will actually pay for, not a wall of AI text, a clean, professional deliverable. That part's at the end, and it changes how clients perceive the value of everything you built. Don't leave before it lands. I'm Paul James, and if you're new here, this channel is about building real income with AI tools for free, without the subscription tax that most agency programs are built around. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the ceiling most people hit when they start offering AI services. They're using great tools. They just use them in separate boxes. Claude for this, NotebookLM for that. Open one, close it, open the next. Nothing connects. And the leverage that should exist between those two tools just disappears every single time. Go High Level charges $297 a month and positions itself as all-in-one. CRM, workflows, automations, but it still can't research your prospects for you. It still can't refresh your clients' AI agents when things change, and it has nothing close to built-in competitive intelligence anywhere. You're doing all of that by hand, paying the subscription tax before you've earned a cent. And honestly, the tools that get pushed hardest in most agency programs also tend to pay the people pushing them. Worth knowing before you hand over your card. I built my first business out of my brother's garage. No clients, no budget, no safety net. A $300 monthly platform bill before the first invoice arrived wasn't something I could absorb. That pressure is real, and it's exactly why the free stack matters. 2 tools, both free, 0 overhead. I call this the passive pull system. Claude, Anthropic's AI, pulls raw intelligence from across the web. Google's NotebookLM turns everything Claude delivers into grounded, sourced output. Together, they run a complete research and synthesis cycle. You don't have to be in the room for any of it. Here's how it works. You give Claude a task, research this prospect, scan these competitor pages, check this client's site for what's changed. Then you tell it to open a specific NotebookLM notebook and add what it found as a new source. Claude operates your browser directly. No copy paste, no tab switching. It does the research, drops the content into NotebookLM, and NotebookLM grounds everything. Audio overview, mind map, or sourced briefing. Ready when you need it. Now here's what this actually means for someone offering a custom knowledge-based service. Think about a solo operator who built an AI chatbot for a local dental practice 8 months ago. Since then, the practice added 2 new treatment options and changed their pricing. The chatbot still doesn't know. Patients ask about the new services, the bot gives stale answers. That's a credibility hit for the practice, and a churn risk for the operator holding the retainer. With the passive pull system on a weekly schedule, Claude scans that practice's site every Monday, catches the updates, drops them into the NotebookLM notebook powering that knowledge base. The agent stays accurate automatically. No manual work, no outdated answers. That's a maintained custom knowledge base running entirely on a free stack. Let's keep building. Here's where things get interesting. Most people stop after the basic chain. They run the research step, add the source, generate the output, and then repeat the exact same steps by hand the following week. That works. But there's a version that removes you from the cycle entirely. Claude's computer use capability lets it operate your browser the way you would, except it does it at midnight on whatever schedule you set, no API, no code, plain English instructions saved as a recurring task. And look, I want to be clear about that last part, because most people assume they'd need to be technical to make this work. You don't. If you can write a task description in a text box, you can run this stack. Most people never realize this part is even possible, which is why they stay stuck on the manual version. Now, the chain I just showed you gets the engine working, but there's a configuration step most people miss, the scheduling piece. Without it, you're manually kicking this off every week. With it, Claude runs the entire cycle automatically. Research, feed, generate on whatever timer you set. That's the version that scales across multiple clients at once. I'm walking through exactly how to set that up in about 60 seconds. Let's talk about what you can actually charge for this. Custom knowledge-based maintenance is the first service, and it's probably the most underpriced thing a solo operator can offer right now. Every business running an AI chatbot or voice receptionist has the same problem. Things change and the agent doesn't know. Products get updated, pricing shifts, staff turns over, nobody goes back to update the source documents. The chatbot keeps answering from outdated information. Clients get frustrated, retainers end, you fix that permanently. Claude runs the weekly sweep. NotebookLM refreshes the knowledge base. You review the update and approve it. Then you invoice the client every month, a setup fee upfront, and a small retainer ongoing. The tools cost you zero. Go High Level has a conversation AI feature that handles some of this, but it's locked behind the subscription and still requires manual document updates. Your version runs the refresh on its own. The second service is competitive intelligence for local businesses. A med spa, a law firm, a landscaping company, every one of them has competitors making moves they can't see. New content going up, pricing getting adjusted, Google Maps listings getting optimized. Most local business owners have zero visibility into any of it. You build a weekly competitive radar using Claude and NotebookLM. Claude pulls the updates every cycle. NotebookLM synthesizes a sourced briefing. You deliver a clean monthly report. That's $300 to $400 a month, built entirely on free infrastructure. Here's the thing that makes this easy to sell. Most local businesses have never had access to this kind of intelligence. Not because they didn't want it, because nobody packaged it in a form they could actually use. The third angle is lead generation prep for solo operators running their own outreach or offering done-for-you prospecting to other agencies. Before every outreach call, Claude researches the target business and drops the findings into a NotebookLM notebook. NotebookLM synthesizes the briefing. You walk into the conversation knowing exactly what that business needs, what their competitors are doing, and where your offer connects. You stop guessing. You close faster because the prospect feels understood before you've said a word about price. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's a concrete picture of this in action. A freelancer, one person working from home, just delivered an AI chatbot for a local HVAC company. 2 months in, the company adds emergency weekend service. The chatbot doesn't know. A customer asks about Saturday availability. The bot says they're not available on weekends. The customer calls a competitor. With the passive pull system on a weekly schedule, Claude catches the new service page on the next Monday cycle, drops it into the NotebookLM notebook. The knowledge base updates before the next customer asks. The client never sees a gap. The retainer continues. And here's the scheduling setup I mentioned. This is the part that stops this from being a manual job. Inside Claude's project settings, you write the task instruction once. Tell Claude which sources to scan and what changes to look for. Tell it which NotebookLM notebook to update and how to add the findings. Set a recurrence. Weekly works for most clients. Claude runs the full chain on that schedule indefinitely. One setup. No manual triggering required. That freelancer now runs this same process across 5 clients simultaneously. Same infrastructure, same free tools, no additional time. Stay with me because this is the piece I promised you at the start. The output prompt is what separates a result clients pay for from a result they glance at once and file away. After the NotebookLM briefing generates, take that output and run it back through Claude with this instruction. Reformat this briefing into a clean client report. Write a short executive summary at the top. Break the findings into 3 clearly labeled sections. End with a next steps recommendation. Keep every claim tied to a source. That's it. 2 passes. 1 through the passive pull system, 1 formatting pass through Claude. What the client receives looks like a professional intelligence report, not AI output, a deliverable they renew every month. Imagine what the next 30 days look like with this running for even 2 or 3 clients. Knowledge bases staying current without your hands on them. Competitive briefings delivered every Monday without opening a tab. Professional client reports generated from free tools. A stack that costs nothing to run and compounds every week it's in motion. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.